Look at this cheese pull. In this video, we are comparing two most unique pizza spots in this city, Krispy Pizza and Cuts and Slices. Krispy is known for its perfect crunch, while Cuts and Slices brings bold and innovative flavors like oxtail and shrimp lobster alfredo to their pies. Let's find out which one delivers the ultimate slice. And don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. We are in Brooklyn and we are trying the most crispiest pizza in entire city. If your name of the shop starts with crispy but with letter K, your pizza is better be super crispy. This place is a well-known and family-run business since 1967. And we're right here at the OG location of Krispy Pizza in Dyker Heights. We're gonna step in and put this place to the test. Let's see if this bite is worth the hype. Guys, we're inside of the Krispy Pizza, crispiest pizza in the city, and I'm right here. I'm actually ready to place my order. We are lucky. We are here with the son of the owner actually, and he allowed us to place the order directly with him. There's no cheese on top.
This is not, this is part baked.
The special treatment. So, hi, how are you, brother? I want the special pizza. I think it's trio.
Trio with the three sauces.
Yes, please.
I got you, brother.
Let's get it down, please.
All right. Guys, I know you've been here for a few minutes already. You see you just came out fresh, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Part baked Sicilian crust. This is how we do it. Just a little bit of sauce. Fresh dough. So this is going to be the base on here, trio pizza. Here we do with this is we start with a mozzarella on the bottom. Guys, grande mozzarella we use here, only the best ingredients. From when we open the store, we use the same ingredients. Ground cheese. You know what they say, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Keep doing the same thing that, you know, made you successful in the first place.
It's a recipe with a history, so much love, so much experience, timely tested.
Exactly. It's been working for so many years, so we're not going to change it now, you know?
What sauce is that going on top?
This is going to be a vodka sauce.
Okay.
Made fresh every day in-house. So we're going to start with lines of the vodka sauce on it.
From what I heard, vodka sauce is one of the specialties that you guys have here.
Yeah.
That you make it in-house every day fresh, right? From scratch.
Same recipe for, 50 years from when my grandfather started. And we just kept making it the same over these years.
I know you guys also opened a new location in New Jersey, right?
New Jersey, yeah. We actually have 4 locations in Jersey.
Could you please tell me?
But we have locations in Ridge, Jersey City, Rutgers, and Freeport, New Jersey. Guys, next, we're going to put our pizza sauce. Nice fresh tomato sauce. Nice and chunky, not watery, Okay, so you're going to put lines of this.
This pizza is becoming slowly a piece of art. I can tell you that for sure. 100%. My mouth is watering just watching it, honestly.
The last sauce is pesto sauce, homemade. That's the key when, you want to give the customers a good product. You can't buy everything, you got to make it homemade yourself, The recipes are separate too from other pizzerias. So last, we're going to put pecorino romano cheese on top.
Magic pepperino goes on top.
That's it. Now this guy's ready to go in.
Oh, look at this piece of art.
Yeah. Excuse me, Sergio. Guys, you'll give that about like 10 minutes. Be set.
Yes, let's go. This is Mona Lisa of pizza. Look at this beauty. Look at these colors. smells incredible as well. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to actually eat this pizza. It looks so beautiful. I'm telling you, it's a straight Mona Lisa of pizza.
So you have the mic. I'm gonna put in here. You're gonna hear the crust next. All right, guys, time to cut this beauty. I know it looks so beautiful. I almost don't want to cut it, but. You hear the crunch when I cut it, right? Ooh.
No. Media. There's that cheese. Cool. Our pizza is finally ready. Look at the size of this thing. This is like a piece of art, and honestly speaking, it's like Mona Lisa of pizza. You see how beautiful is this thing? First of all, it's huge, it smells incredible, and how beautiful this pizza. I have never seen more beautiful pizza in my life, honestly speaking. And this pizza called Trio, and I'm ready to dig in. Let's see. So look at this cheese pull. A really nice cheese pull. And there's a homemade vodka sauce, as you see here, homemade pesto sauce and homemade marinara sauce, and it's all on this beautiful crust. Let me show you this beautiful piece. I haven't tried this pizza before, and this place called Krispy with K's, so this pizza is better. It's super crispy. It smells incredible. It's actually crunchy. Look how beautifully well done, by the way, it's at the bottom. See all this crunch? Let's try this out. Super crunchy bottom. Super soft and fluffy texture inside of the crust. It's amazing. The all sauces here, the fresh pesto sauce. Oh my god, it's adding its own fresh touches to the pizza and creating a great balance with this delicious vodka and marinara sauce. It's crunchy, it's fluffy, it's light, it's rich in taste. The whole combination of these great three sauces coming together, incredibly good. And the cheese is really delicious cheese. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. It's so good. After trying 3 slices of this beauty, I'm ready to make my conclusion. And honestly speaking, this is probably the most beautiful pizza I have seen in my entire life. All these colors, looking so good. This pizza is just mouth-watering. And honestly, this is earth-shattering crispy pizza too, I would say. I'm gonna go with 8.5 for this delicious trio pizzas that had homemade vodka sauce, homemade marinara sauce, and homemade pesto sauce. Delicious pizza, delicious crispy crust. 8.5 points. If you like this type of food content, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. See you on the next bite. We are at Cuts and Slices in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm ready to place my order. Hi there, good afternoon. I have heard a lot about the oxtail pizza that you have here and the chicken, shrimp, lobster Alfredo pizza you also have. Do you have it?
A shrimp and lobster and a jig chicken and chicken turkey bacon black chocolate.
I want to get 8 slices to make it a round pie, and I want to improvise it, make it as specific as possible. We are ordering all the possible different specialties here. This place is famous for the unique flavors and unique toppings on the pizza. Each slice is on average at $12. Yeah. Guys, our total came to $111.76. That's inclusive of the service. But for the foodware, we paid $97.82. As you see here, all the breakdown of the prices. We ordered 8 different slices, so we're gonna try each one specifically. All of them are special and have unique toppings. We are in Brooklyn trying the most unique pizza in the entire world. Cuts and Slices.
That looks good.
Thank you.
Oh, that's Cuts and Slices. They're my people.
Yeah. You heard that? There's people passing by. There's people passing by that said this pizza is good. And we are in Brooklyn trying the most unique pizza in the entire world, Cuts and Slices. This place has become a cultural mecca. There are probably more celebrities pulling up to this place rather than to Met Gala. Who the flying fuck is doing this? Let's start by trying the sweet chili oxtail pizza. It's probably the first time the world is hearing the oxtail and the pizza in the same sentence. I didn't even know this was possible, so let's try this. Slow cooked oxtail that melts in your mouth. The people of Italy would know that this type of pizza exists. They probably would wage a war, or they would have just been probably proud of it. Wow. My brain doesn't know how to react because I didn't know this combination is actually possible. It's like you went on a new planet and found a new life. Moving on to the next one. Shrimp black truffle Alfredo. Let's try this one as well. Smells incredible. Smells like black truffle, by the way. Delicious black truffle Alfredo sauce. There's no cheese pull as you see, but the combination of the flavors is great. There's a lot of shrimp. It's not only just one or two pieces as you see. The slice is full of this amount of shrimp and this amount of sauce. But there isn't much cheese pull, but it's a delicious, delicious slice. Let's try the jerk chicken now. Actually, I'm thrilled about this. I love jerk chicken. The pizza has a straight flap like this, as you see, and it has a decent amount of huge chunks of chicken on it. Now let's try this. Cheers. This is a little bit barbecue sauce from my taste, I understand, but the jerk chicken is delicious. It's so smoky. At the same time, it's a little bit spicy. It's really well marinated, and there's a big amount of cheese because I can taste the cheese over here as well. But the whole combination tastes really, really good. This one is probably my favorite in all the slices that I tried, even though it might sound pretty basic. We had tried sweet chili oxtail and the shrimp black truffle Alfredo sauce and multiple different varieties and multiple different topics on a pizza right here at Cuts and Slices in Brooklyn. And I'm ready to make my decision, and I'm gonna go with 7 points for the Cuts and Slices in Brooklyn, New York. We have tried the most crispiest and the most unique pizza in the entire city. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. My personal favorite was the jerk chicken from Cuts and Slices and the trio pizza from Krispy Pizzeria. If you like this type of food content, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. And I'll see you on the next bite.